So welcome again guys for another video tutorial for basic integration sa integral calculus. So for this problem, we have integral of quantity of 5 minus 2 square root t raised to 2 over fourth root of t cubed dt. Okay, so first, ang ating gagawin for this one is notice that yung numerator, we need to expand this first. Okay, so for our solution, let me adjust my camera first. Yeah. So for our solution, let's expand this first. Wait. Okay, so expand first this numerator. So if you try to expand that one, this one is just equal to, so just try it to yourself. Okay, this is equal to 25 and then minus 20 t raised to 1/2, or ginawa ko na lang siyang exponent fraction form para if later on mas madali siyang integrate. Okay, and lastly we have plus 4t. Okay, and also for this one, itong denominator gawin ko siyang exponent fraction. Okay, so yung fourth root of t cube, equivalent yun sa t raised to 3/4. Okay, yan. So that if we try to rewrite our integrand, so integral of this numerator will become 25 minus 20 t raised to 1/2 and then plus 40 over t raised to 3/4 dt. Okay, after, so we can separate this these terms into 3 fractions because yung denominator natin is just one term. Okay, so we can split that into 3 fractions. So let us split this first. So we have 25 over t raised to 3/4 minus 20 t raised to 1/2 over t raised to 3/4 plus 4t over t raised to 3/4 dt. Okay, after, so paano siya i-simplify? So itong dito, we can simplify this using laws of exponent. Okay, so if we have a the same bases and we need natin sila i-divide, so we just need to subtract its exponent. Okay, so 1/2 minus 3/4, ganyan lang, and the same here. So t raised to 1, which is 1 minus 3/4. Okay, so if we simplify that one, and also here, pwede ko din siyang i-distribute na lang automatically lahat ng integral sense lahat ng terms together with this dt. So this will become, labas ko itong constant sa first term, 25 integral. So for this one, since nasa baba to, pwede ko siyang iakyat para maging negative exponent. Magiging t raised to negative 3 over 4 dt minus 20, labas ko yung 20, integral. To simplify this one, we just need to subtract, okay, their power or exponent. 1/2 minus 3/4, that is equal to negative 1/4. So this will become t raised to negative 1/4. Okay, and then plus, itong 4, labas ko din to. I forgot the dt. And plus 4 integral of 1 minus 3/4, that is equal to positive 1/4 dt. Okay, and then after, ang next na gagawin is we just need to integrate this one using power rule of integration. So we'll just add plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So negative 3/4 plus 1, that is equal to positive 1/4. So this will become 25 times t raised to 1/4 over 1/4 minus 20 times negative 1/4 plus 1, that is equal to positive 3/4. So this will become 3 over 4 over 3 over 4. And lastly, we have plus 4 times 1/4 plus 1, that is equal to 5 over 4. Okay? Plus C. Since tapos na tayo mag-integrate. After, so para ma-simplify ito, we just need to simplify this complex fraction by taking the reciprocal of our denominator sa each term. Okay? So yung first, reciprocal lang ng 1/4, that is equal to 4. So 4 times 25, that is equal to 100. So this will become 100 t raised to 1/4. Minus, we have here 4 3/4 reciprocal yan is just 4/3. Okay? But since there's 20 pa dito, so 4 times 20, that is equal to 80, which is 80/3, 80 over 3, or equal to 80 t raised to 3/4 over 3. And lastly, we have reciprocal lang 5 over 4, that is 4/5, since may 4 pa dito, so 4 times 4, that is 16. So this will become 16 t raised to 5 over 4 over 4. Ay, 5 pala pa. 5. And then, plus C. Okay? So, pwede yung ganitong form na, pero since yung, tawag na to, yung original given natin is naka-radical form, so gawin natin siyang radical form also. So, our final answer will be 100. So, t raised to 1/4, that is equal to 4th root of t. Okay, 4th root yan ha. And then for this one, we have negative 80 t raised to 4, that is equal to 4th root of t cube over 3. And lastly, we have plus 16 that is equal to 4th root of t raised to 5 over 5, and then plus C. So this is now our final answer. Okay, so hopefully nagets nyo, and thank you.